Ever wondered how to spend the perfect 2 days in Rome? Let's dive into day one of this splendid itinerary. Start your day at the iconic Colosseum, a historical marvel that stands as a testament to Rome's ancient grandeur. Wander through this colossal amphitheater and let its centuries-old walls whisper tales of gladiators and emperors. Just a stone's throw away is the Roman Forum, once the beating heart of political and social life in ancient Rome. Walk its storied streets and soak in the rich history that permeates every corner. From there, take a leisurely stroll to the Circus Maximus, an ancient chariot racing stadium that once echoed with the cheers of Roman spectators. Continue your journey through time at the Capitoline Museums, where art and history collide in a magnificent display. Pause for a moment to make a wish at the stunning Trevi Fountain, and then marvel at the architectural genius of the Pantheon with its massive dome. As the sun sets, indulge in a delectable Italian dinner or join an evening food tour to sample the best of Rome's local cuisine. And that wraps up a perfect first day in Rome. Now, are you ready for day 2 in Rome? Let's start off by spending the morning exploring the heart of Catholicism, Vatican City. Here, immerse yourself in the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica and marvel at the divine frescoes of the Sistine Chapel. Next, take a stroll across the scenic Bridge of Angels or Ponte Sant'Angelo to reach the towering Castel Sant'Angelo. A little further, you'll find yourself admiring the Baroque architecture in Piazza Navona, a masterpiece of Roman public space. As the day progresses, make a return to the Trevi Fountain. During the day, it's less crowded, and you can fully appreciate its beauty and grandeur up close. As the sun sets, head to the charming Trastevere neighborhood. Known for its narrow streets, lively atmosphere, and mouth-watering restaurants, it's the perfect place to conclude your Roman adventure. And there you have it, 2 perfect days in Rome. Remember, comment below for the free PDF or link to the itinerary. Add your own experiences, tips, and tricks to help others plan their perfect Roman holiday. Ciao!